Hello guys, so you all are welcome to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see BA English Honors Semester 2 syllabus. So as you know कि semester 1 में you have completed your 3 core papers that were DSC 1, DSC 2 and DSC 3. So in this semester we will be covering DSC 4, DSC 5 and DSC 6. So these core paper, these DSC papers will be coming in your exams separately. So DSC 4, it's 14th to 17th century English poetry. Its major focus on poetry from late in medieval to early modern English. Example, Chaucer, Spenser, Shakespeare, Sonnet and Milton. In DSC 5, from 16th to 17th century English drama, study of English drama of the Renaissance and the early modern period. There will be playwright like Marlowe, Shakespeare and Webster, etc. And the third one, that is DSC 6, which deals with 18th century literature, which covers prose, poetry and drama of the 18th century, which includes the writers such as Dryden, Pope, Swift, Addison or Stelly and later 18th century texts. Alright, so let's discuss the syllabus in very detail. So it's DSC 4, that was 14th to 17th century English poetry. Majorly there were poetry section. So in unit number 1, we will be covering Geoffrey Chaucer's Canterbury Tale. But Canterbury Tale is a very vast poem. But we are going to see only 2 things in our syllabus which was mentioned. The first is the general prologue of the Canterbury Tale and the second one is Parner's Tale from the Canterbury. Alright, and the unit number 2 deals with the Philip Sidney Sonnet number 1 and Walter Regale, The Passionate Man's Pilgrimage. And the next one is John Donne. There are 3 poems by John Donne, that was The Sun Rising. Another one is The Canonization. The third one is The Good Morrow. So unit number 3, there are 5 poems in total which was given in it. Now unit number 3 deals with the John Milton Paradise Lost, and again there is mention of only book number 1, as Paradise Lost is also a very vast epic poem. So only book number 1 is given in your syllabus. So next is move to the next paper, that is DSC 5, 16th to 17th century English drama. So in this we will be seeing 3 units with 3 texts. The first unit covers Christopher Marlowe, Dr. Faustus. Second unit, William Shakespeare, Macbeth. And the third unit, Aphra Behn, the Rover. Alright, so these 3 texts are coming in DSC 5. Let's move to DSC 6, that is 18th to 18th century English literature. In this, there is with 3 texts. The first is Alexander Pope's The Rape of Lock. And the second is Jonathan Swift, The Gulliver Travel. And the third is Oliver Goldsmith, The Vicar of Wakefield. Alright, so यहाँ पर your semester 2 syllabus is completed for English honors. So if I summarize semester 2 BA English honors का syllabus, so यहाँ पर आपके 3 core paper होते हैं और ऑप्शनल रहते हैं, जैसे कि जीई ऑप्शनल है, जेनरिक इलेक्टिव, एईसी भी होता है, वैक पेपर भी होते हैं. सो डीएससी 4 के अंदर आपका 14 टू 17 सेंचुरी जिसके अंदर इंग्लिश पोइट्री के बारे में है. डीएससी 5 के अंदर आपका 16 टू 17 सेंचुरी है जिसके अंदर आपको इंग्लिश ड्रामा से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया जाएगा. और डीएससी 6 जिसके अंदर आपको 18 सेंचुरी इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के अंदर प्रोज, पोइट्री, टेक्स्ट, इन सब के बारे में बताया जाएगा. एईसी जो कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स भी कह सकते हैं, उसके अंदर हम इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स प्रोवाइड की जाएगी आपको. और जीई जो कि ऑप्शनल होता है, कोई भी 1 इलेक्टिव आप ले सकते हैं जीई के अंदर, जेनरिक इलेक्टिव के अंदर. सो यहीं पे आपका सिलेबस कंप्लीट होता है. सिलेबस डिस्कशन इज ओवर नाउ. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो सो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. और फॉर फर्दर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योर चैप्टर you can join me by subscribing my channel. So till then, thank you, bye bye, see you.